Here we have a pole with some conductors in AUD. As is, there's no attribution for this pole, but consider that AUD has a wealth of information that's associated with this pole. Even without any configuration, AUD has basic attribution using callouts for objects. I can click on the Insert Callout command. I'll select the pole, then press Enter to indicate this is the only pole I'm labeling. Then I'll select one of the default callouts. And here you can see the callout. The default is to have the model name on the first line and the FID, the feature identifier, on the second line. I click to place it and that's that. But AUD can be configured to do so much more. I'll now switch to the Configuration tab and open up the Industry Model Configuration Editor. I'll select Poles and then click on the Callouts tab. Currently there are no pole-specific callouts, but a click on the plus sign and I can add one. I'll use the same AutoCAD block that was used for the generic callout, the one with 2 lines of text. For convenience, I'll rename it Pole 1. Then by double-clicking on it, I can open up the symbol editor for this callout. What I actually care about are these first 2 lines, the custom attributes for the block. Never mind what they're called, let's define what data will appear. Note that I have access to all of the properties associated with this pole. But beyond that, I can define an expression. So let's get creative. First, I'll look under the string functions and choose concat for concatenation. Then I'll enter a literal string that says model ID. And for the second text string, I'll locate the model name itself. Great, that's the first field. Now let's do the second one. In this case, I'll still use the concat function, but this time I'll make the literal string say length, and then enter the pole's length as the second piece. Oh, and why not add the abbreviation for feet on the end? That's it. I'll accept these changes and switch back to the Home tab. Now let's add another callout. I select Insert Callout, select the pole, press Escape. Now I'm presented with 3 choices, including my new Pole 1 feature-specific callout. I'll select Pole 1, and here you see my new callout that includes the concatenated text and shows the pole length instead of the FID. Want to learn more? If you're evaluating AutoCAD utility design or working on a configuration, consider getting a set of DL Consulting's comprehensive training and reference manuals. Better yet, contact DL Consulting and have us deliver an on-site training and implementation planning session tailored to your utility's specific requirements. For more information, visit www.dlconsulting.net/AUD.